Many don't mind grinding today, grinding for this world that's ruled by Satan the devil. Our forefathers didn't like grinding. They liked chilling. They liked to chill with our Creator. You see, grinding takes you away from our God. How much time do you spend grinding versus the time you spend with our Creator? Which God do you really serve? The God of this world, Satan the devil? You want recognition from this world? Because Satan's world is going down in flames soon, and many will go down in flames with it. Be mindful of who you are really serving.